Hi there, students. Alimony. Alimony. Okay, alimony is money that a court orders you to pay your partner after a divorce. It's money to maintain them. It's maintenance. So, alimony. I think in British English we call this maintenance, spouse support, spouse maintenance, a legal obligation to provide financial support to the person you're married to after separation. Okay, and this is distinct from child support. So, alimony. This actually comes from originally the Code of Hammurabi, which is like 2000 BC, the original law that declares a man must provide sustenance to a woman who has borne him children so that she can raise them. Nowadays it's separate from child maintenance, but the idea has been around for a very long time. So alimony, an allowance made for support by a court. I think this is probably more American than British. I don't think the Brits very often use this word. I would say maintenance, but it's regular money that needs to be paid after a legal separation or a divorce. The court orders a person to financially support, to make a provision to keep the person. Okay, so an allowance made by one spouse to the other after legal separation. Alimony, formality. I think I'm going to give this a 5 in formality. I think you could use it absolutely anywhere. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin alimonia, meaning food or support or nourishment or sustenance. Okay, so alimony, money to be paid to support your partner after a divorce. There's a joke by Groucho Marx that says paying alimony is like giving hay to a dead horse. So I don't know, enough alimony. Yeah, money you've got to pay to your former spouse, to your former partner when you get divorced. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Alimony.